remember you and love you until we meet again on the other side.
A dark cloud hovers over our nation because we have lost a true soldier, a valiant general, a man of faith, devotion, patriotism, a great man. We send our love and our condolences devotion to the first family. Always remain with us. You are a book, an encyclopedia of wisdom. You are a chamber of knowledge. We appreciate you. We thank you. And as Zambians we cry out, but we rejoice. Patient because God gave us trials, and through the storms we know that we shall overcome, because we're destined for greatness. We're destined. We're destined.
We'll always remember you and love you until we meet again on the other side. We'll always remember you and love you until we meet again